Today is Thursday. We're a big happy family, right?
Get the hell away.
Hey! Happy family.
Well, not.
Well,
You're happy because you sit around all day and do nothing.
You just do nothing either.
Yeah.
You don't do anything either.
I don't want that much stuff.
Oh, just eat it.
Yeah, you know you love it.
I'm trying to lose weight and hear y'all fattening me up
Yeah.
for kill.
He said you're
Look
trying
at
to
this.
kill him.
Look at this.
Really, dear?
Mom. You have any words to say?
Ah!
That's not a word. That's like, I don't even know what that is.
I'm gonna slap your father right off his face.
Well, good. Slap him.
I'm gonna slap you right off his
She's
face.
slapping you.
Don't duck.
Yum.
Yum.
Like don't duck.
Don't duck.
Like don't.
The Trump slap.
No, like don't duck did. His wife did him.
Oh my. Mom.
Dick's not married.
Yeah, he is.
He's not.
Hey, are you talking about Daffy Duck?
Daffy Duck, yeah.
Let's talk about Daffy Duck. There was an episode where she was married and they had to fight a crocodile for his eggs.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, sure you do. Oh, my phone. Alright, guys, I'll come back in a minute. I know she secretly does. She doesn't want to tell you.
The only thing I don't like is copperheads or any kind of big snake.
Well, let's move down to the hall then.
No,
Move
dude,
back-
pet
move
mountain
back
lions
to-
down there.
There's mountain lions here, so what?
I've caught the wild married couple.
You act like museum. Look at this guy getting the crap beat out of him. That's
You
me.
know he's taping you. Now let's get into
This could be me
on her
getting the
phone.
crap beat out of me.
She's gonna have the cops come get
Maybe
you.
it's not going to help me.
Who's gonna have the cops? What? Who's gonna have the cops come get you?
Give him that piece of bread.
I gave it to him, he didn't want it.
Do you want it now?
Hope you know you're not going. The guys that were rubbing against the freaking pretzels.
She's sitting on the too.
He ain't all in you.
No, there's still a little bit in there.
He ain't nothing.
Yeah.
He's got his butt on.
Kitty cat.
No, he's butt on it.
He's ever rubbing it and.
Then he can eat them all up.
Yeah, open it. Yeah, let me open. See, there you go. Don't do everything for him. You act like you can't do nothing.
Ah, I can't
Here,
handle
give it to me.
free. I got arthritis.
There's an easier way to do this.
I got that.
Fucking peel it off the side.
Got it.
Don't pull the put.
Away. Get
I can do it in 2 fucking seconds.
Ah!
Ah!
Boys,
Right in the nuts, boy.
You couldn't get your thing high. You couldn't get your foot high enough.
Ah, clear away. Ow.
It touched you.
you both can't get it up as
Yeah.
far as I can.
Yeah, let's see. We had a kicking contest the other day.
Look at that.
She lives.
Well, I
Oh, I went up to here, so I don't want to hear your shit.
Oh, did not.
And my leg was.
Look.
Get it up as
Dad, look.
Okay, you're a little ballerina. So what?
You're a little faggot.
You're
Bang.
Have a look here.
Huh?
Look, they're going to jump. Look at me kicking that guy's ass. Said he shot him.
Here, babe.
Ha.
Babe.
I gotta go. It's time to go to work.
I know.
Give me a couple of fucking eggs.
You don't get none.
You ate the whole other bag.
You did.
You did. I woke up the next
Oh,
morning.
yeah, you did.
Oh, it was you. You said you've been eating them all day.
I love his quiet country life.
Oh, man. Being so quiet in the country. Woo!
You're annoying.
I did have she said she wanted to go.
Scream like a little girl.
And you don't? How about the time when you jumped 10 feet in the air because a snake went over your foot? You screamed like a little girl.
You really?
No.
Yes, he did. He was out there walking up through the path that we had up here because we didn't cut nothing down back then. 'Cause we didn't have a riding mower.
Down here.
Right up here by the by the fence to the garage, to my garage, to the fence. Right there, that path up to the Beethoven. He's in there walking. Hey! He jumped like 10. No, it was down there. It was up there. He jumped like 10 feet in the air, screamed like a girl.
Jake, what did he scream about, Jake?
He wasn't alive yet.
You in here?
No, he wasn't alive yet. This is way before we moved up here, like 5-10 years. Maybe not one.
What Beethoven think?
You never came up there with me. Stay down
Yes,
there.
I did. I came with you all the time on the
You
weekend.
did not.
Yes, I did.
I'll see what happened.
Yes, I did. I used to come up with you all the time on the weekends. Every weekend I come up here with you.
Did not.
Yes, I did.
Unless he was
Especially when I got older.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Not when I was younger. When I got like 15, came here all the time.
Quit.
Well, you quit it. How about that time we came over and I fell asleep on the couch out there in the yard? You remember that?
Get the hell out of here. I gotta go.
No one cares. Woo, Jakey. Alright, guys, I'll cut back in a few minutes. Our big happy family doesn't want to be filmed. Ain't that right, Dad? Big happy family? Big happy family? Fine, I will. Alright, guys, we're going for a walk. Me and my mom as a happy family. You're not part of...
Did you just say that?
No, I didn't say nothing.
Yes, you did.
I'm moving back
That's why
to the
I kicked
holler.
you.
Back to the holler, Dad. You never lived down there. That's where she's from. Dad.
I'm going. I want to be survival.
What are you gonna do? Just go and too bad Ronnie's down there all the time and everyone else.
People might see it.
Well, they are.
Go down there all the time.
I'm in the summer next year on the weekend.
Yeah, see.
I've been seeing stuff like that on there.
What does that matter?
They go down there and camp.
It sounds like it's...
Well, if you want to go down there and live by yourself, that's what you say you're gonna do. But you can't. I mean,
Yeah.
we can't.
So,
He'd be dead in a week anyways. He'd be out there starving to death. He'd be like, "Come get me some food. I can't cook."
that's not what you know.
Dad, do you remember when I went camping in the, where was it? I think it was me and Kate, someone, I forget who it was. It was either me and someone. We went back to the backyard and I took a bunch of canned hot dogs with me. Yeah, dude. When I was a little kid. What do you want? Weirdo pussycat. Oh god, it's close up. Real nice close up. Don't slap me!
Yeah, I'm not paid.
I'm done fucking with him. You gonna come with me or not?
Jake.
Come on, Jake! Alright, guys, I gotta
Give me
go.
my socks.
I'm not grabbing your nasty socks. Alright, Jake, let's go for a walk. Come on, let's go. Let's go, bye-byes. Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Not with him. He think, Jake, he's not coming with us. No.
He's waiting for me.
No, he's not. There you go. Jakey, come on. Come on this way. Go. Not with him. He wants you to, he just bitch on the butt.
From me.
Yeah, that's why.
Come take my clothes off.
Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. Jake. Jake thinks my dad come with us. He went back there and looked. Mom, what are you doing? I saw you. What are you doing? I thought he was trying to scare me. Because I saw you and then you just ducked real fast and he's like, no. Like, because I scared you shitless this morning. Kitty cat. Okay, I'm done filming you. Jake, ready for a walk? How warm is it outside? Let me see. Here, let me see. Making our ghetto-ass compost. Most people don't do that. Nothing.
What?
Dude, it's actually kind of warm. Yesterday it was snowing, and that's kind of, not. Was it really snowing this morning? It's actually pretty cold out here, Mom. I gotta grab a coat. I'll come back in a minute. Alright, guys, we're back out here. We're walking around. Come on, Jake. Jake, this way. He's nuts. Jake, what are you doing? Dog's crazy. Huh? Dog is crazy. True. Mom, you got anything to say for being a happy family? No words of wisdom.
What are you looking at?
Jake, grab him.
Go get his thing.
You stupid dog. I'll be back. I can't run. Exactly. I gotta go hurry up and get a leash because he's gonna go attack someone. Stupid dog is nuts. For a little dog, he's crazy. He thinks he's like a big attack dog or something. Seriously, anytime anybody walks around our house, we'll go out there and attack him if we don't watch him. That's why we gotta put him on a leash. But most of the time, no one comes around, so it's perfectly fine. But under instances where it happens, gotta do something about it. There we are. Why did I shut the door for? I'm losing my mind. Oh, I'm out of breath. What are you doing to the cat? Hold on, look. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hold on. The cat's jealous. What is he doing? What's the cat doing? He's nuts. I think he's jealous because you're holding the cat. Dog. Cat! Oh, he's fine. He ain't going nowhere.
Oh, he's a bunny here.
Kitty cat.
He's gonna monkey now.
What do you want?
Come here, hey.
Cat's crazy. Here. Tie him up.
Hold it, hold it.
Oh, I got hold it for. It's like I thought I was free.
Jake.
He's like, alright guys, I'll cut back a little bit. Walk up the road with our dog and Uncle. He's way up there. He already took off. You know the cat's gonna follow us. Kitty cat, you can't follow us. No. Look at him. Kitty, you can't follow us. Kitty, you can't follow us. Oh, I'm about stepped on the cat's face. Stop it, Kitty. I'm not going up the road with the cat. Listen. I can't get there with the cat. Yeah, he's following us. He'll get ran over. Stay up here, Kitty. No, stay, Kitty. Stay up here. Stay here. Stay put. Are you barking at the cat? Come on, Jake. He's like... Get that dog nuts. Get that dog nuts. Alright guys, I'll cut back if anything cool happens. If not, I'll cut back once I'm inside. So, whoop. Kitty cat, gee. We left our cat and he kept running after us. You act like a dog. You know that? Kitty. You're a cat, not a dog. You're a kitty cat, not a dog. You understand? You're not supposed to follow us like a dog. Kitty, get over there. Come on. Kitty, get out of there. You're teaching the cat bad habits. I was going to show you the cat running after us like a dog, but we'll come back later. Alright guys, we're back inside. We're going to go walk around some more. I'm not going to film it. I had to come back in for a minute, and then we're going to go back outside. Yeah, and then we're going to go walk around, and then we're going to go for a car ride. I'm not going to talk to my dog. I act like I'm talking to my dog. I talk too fast. Yes, because I'm used to telling Jake that. Then we're going to go to the store. There we go. And then we're going to go down my uncle's. I'm going to film going to the store. And then I'll film going to Uncle's, but I'm not going to film Uncle. And then we'll end the vlog. So I'll cut back once we're going in the car. Alright guys, we're going to the store. Big happy family with the dog. I'm being paranoid. I'm filming Jake. Yeah, we're going to the store. I'll cut back once we're there. Alright guys, we're at Dollar General. You can't really see anything. Nothing. Mom's yelling at me. But yeah, we're at Dollar General. I have to stay in the car with this monster because he literally flips out. We leave him for like 10 seconds at the house or anywhere for that matter. Well, anyways, guys, I'll cut back in a minute. Alright, guys, I made it back home. I didn't have to sit my dog for too long. Little shit for brains. Now he's sleeping like nothing even happened. Okay. But I'm going to end the vlog here. Sorry if this vlog's kind of short. I don't know how long it is yet until I edit it. But remember to like, comment, subscribe, and peace! Woo!